Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Rofan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 10A of class 9 chapter quadrilaterals from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So, let's start examples of exercise 10A chapter quadrilaterals of class 9. For my first example is example number 4 कि in a quadrilateral ABCD, in a quadrilateral ABCD the A, B, C and D. ABCD is a quadrilateral and the line segment bisecting angle C, bisecting angle C and angle D meet at the point E, meet at the point E. Prove that कि angle A plus angle B equal to 2 angle CED, 2 angle CED. Okay, so let's for students angle ECD equal to angle 1 and EDC equal to angle 2. Okay, DE is the bisector of angle D and CE is the bisector of angle C. So students, a quadrilateral ABCD is a quadrilateral. DE is the bisector of angle D and CE is the bisector of angle C. So we write कि angle 1 equal to half angle C. Okay, चूंकि angle 1 is the CE is the bisector of angle C, so angle 1 equal to half angle C and angle 2 equal to half angle D. Okay, so now students, in triangle CED, CED, okay, so angle 1 plus angle 2 or plus angle CED, angle CED equal to 180 degree. Okay, we know that the sum of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so angle CED equal to 180 degree minus angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, this is equation first. Okay students, now in quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 180, equal to 360 degree. We know that the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So students, dividing 2 on both sides. Okay, so angle A by 2 plus angle B by 2 plus angle C by 2 plus angle D by 2 equal to 360 by 2, that is 180 degree. Okay, so here half is common, then rest is angle A plus angle B, and half angle C by 2, that is half angle C equal to angle 1 and half angle D equal to angle 2 equal to 180 degree. Clear? For students, half angle A plus B, half angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree minus angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay, angle 1 plus angle 2 को उधर भेज देंगे 180 degree. This is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we get, for students, 180 degree minus angle 1 plus angle 2, 180 degree minus angle 1 plus angle 2. RHS is equal, then LHS is also equal. For students, half angle A plus angle B equal to angle CED, angle CED. For students, angle A plus angle B equal to 2 angle CED. Okay, so This is proved. Angle A plus, prove that कि angle A plus angle B equal to 2 angle CED. A plus B equal to 2 angle CED. Okay. Our next question is question number 7. Example number 7 of exercise 10A. In the adjoining figure, the bisector of angle B and angle D. The bisector of angle B, PB is the bisector of angle B, and DQ is the bisector of angle D of a quadrilateral ABCD. Of a quadrilateral ABCD में angle B का bisector and angle D का bisector. Okay, meet CD and AB. Meet CD and AB. Produced at P and Q. Okay, AB को प्रोड्यूस किया गया Q तक और CD को प्रोड्यूस किया गया कहाँ तक, P तक रिस्पेक्टिवली. प्रूव दैट कि एंगल P प्लस एंगल Q इक्वल टू हाफ एंगल B प्लस एंगल D. एंगल P प्लस एंगल Q इक्वल टू हाफ एंगल B प्लस एंगल D. ओके, सो let's first start solution of students. Angle ADQ, angle ADQ equal to half angle D, and PBC, angle PB or C equal to half angle B, and angle PBC equal to half angle B, because BP is the bisector of angle B and DQ is the bisector of angle D. Okay, so students, now in triangle ADQ, for students, ADQ, angle A plus angle ADQ plus angle Q equal to 180, because we know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in triangle ADQ, angle A plus angle ADQ or plus angle Q is 180 degree. So students, we write angle A and ADQ equal to half angle D, half angle D or plus angle Q equal to 180. This is equation first. Okay. Now students, in triangle PBC, angle P plus angle PBC or plus angle C equal to 180. So this implies we write the angle P and PBC को हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, हाफ एंगल B plus angle C equal to 180. This is equation 2. Okay, adding equation 1 and 2 we get. Okay, so angle A plus half angle D plus angle Q plus angle P plus half angle B plus angle C equal to 360 degrees. Okay, so students, half angle B and half angle D, angle A plus angle Q plus angle P plus angle C plus half is common angle D plus angle B, angle D plus angle B equal to 360 degree. Okay, D equal to 360 degree. So students, adding half angle B plus angle D on both sides. Half angle B, adding half angle B plus half angle D on both sides. On both साइड, दोनों साइड में हाफ एंगल बी प्लस हाफ एंगल डी क्या करेंगे, ऐड कर देंगे. यहाँ जाएगा एंगल ए प्लस एंगल क्यू प्लस एंगल पी प्लस एंगल सी प्लस हाफ एंगल डी प्लस हाफ एंगल बी प्लस हाफ एंगल बी प्लस हाफ एंगल डी इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री और प्लस हाफ एंगल बी और प्लस हाफ एंगल डी. ओके, for students, half angle B plus half angle D on both side, adding half angle B plus half angle D on both side. Okay, so one half angle B plus one half angle D is already here, plus half angle B plus half angle D is adding, and 360 RHS plus half angle B plus half angle D is adding. Okay, so students, we write ki angle A plus half angle B plus half angle B, that is angle B. Half angle B plus half angle B, that is one angle B, or plus half angle half plus angle C plus half angle D or plus half angle D, that is angle D. Okay, and plus angle P plus angle Q, plus angle P and plus angle Q equal to 360 degree minus 360 degree plus half angle B plus half angle D. Okay, for students, A plus B plus C plus D, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree, because the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So that is 360 degree plus angle P plus angle Q equal to 360 plus half angle B plus half angle D. Okay, so 360 and 360 degrees cancel. For students, rest is angle P plus angle Q and half is common for angle B and plus angle D. Okay, so this is proved. Angle P plus angle Q equal to half angle B plus angle D. Students, our next example is example number 8. If ABCD is a quadrilateral, ABCD is a quadrilateral whose diagonals AC and BD, intersect at O. Prove that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Okay, sum of all sides of a quadrilateral is greater than the sum of two diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, and second is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Sum of all sides of a quadrilateral is less than 2 times of sum of diagonals. Okay, so let's start solution of students. First, in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than AC, because we know that the sum of students, in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than AC. We know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is greater than AC. And in triangle ACD, CD plus AD, AD plus CD, AD plus CD is greater than AC. Okay. In triangle ABD, AB plus AD, AB plus AD is greater than BD. Okay. And in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, BC plus CD, BC plus CD is greater than BD. Okay. And adding all, for students, adding AB 2AB plus BC and BC 2BC plus CD 2CD plus AD 2AD equal to AC 2AC, sorry, is greater than 2AC and plus 2BD. Okay. For student, 2 is common in all terms. So 2 is common, rest is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2 is common, AC plus BD. So 2 is cancelled. So hence of students, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Okay. So first is proved. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, sum of all sides of a quadrilateral is greater than sum of diagonals. Okay. Second number, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 into AC plus BD. For students, in triangle AOB, we write OA plus OB is greater than AB. Sum of two sides of a triangle is, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. We know that. In triangle BOC, so OB plus OC is greater than BC. Okay. In COD, in triangle COD, OC plus OD is greater than CD. And triangle AOD, and in triangle AOD, OA plus OD is greater than AD. Okay. And sum of all inequalities, that is OA 2 OA plus OB 2 OB plus OC 2 OC plus 2 OD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. For students, OA and 2 OC, 2 is common, that is OA plus OC. Okay. 2 OB and 2 OD. Okay. So 2 is common, so OB plus OD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. For students, OA plus OC, OA and OC is AC, so 2 AC, and 2 into OB plus OD, that is BD, so 2 BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. For this implied 2 is common, AC or plus BD, AC plus BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay students, so we write hence AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2AC plus BD. Okay, that's good.